how to use Instagram Maps and disable. Instagram Maps is a feature that lets you explore posts by location and even see where your friends have posted recently, a little hidden in the app. So in this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to access this. So you'll just have to go and log in first onto your Instagram account. Then right after, to locate the Maps feature, you'll just have to scroll it to the right just like this. Then you should be able to see it here onto the upper part. So at the very top, on your DMs, you'll see a small icon or section in your notes that says map. So you'll just have to tap onto that, and the map will now open, showing you a global or regional view depending on your settings. Once the map loads, you can zoom in to a specific city or neighborhood, see location pins that represents posts made in that area, or you could tap on a pin to see what people have posted publicly for that spot. If you click onto this gear icon here onto the upper part, you could choose who can see your location to turn this on. So you could choose friends, close friends, or only the specific people. If you share your precise location, it will update every time you open Instagram, and it disappears if you don't open the app for 24 hours. And if you also scroll this up, there is a search bar wherein you could go ahead and search for your friends so that you could see where they've been for the past 24 hours. Now I'm currently not using my maps, but to turn this on, just click onto the square icon again, choose friends, and then share your location easily just like that. So as you can see, we're currently already turning on our location. Now, if you want to go ahead and turn that off, just do the same thing. Click onto that and choose no one, and then click on until you turn it back on. And that's how to use Instagram Maps and disable it.